Hi friends, in today's video we will learn how to create animation videos like this with Canva and Gemini. Let's start. Open Gemini and write this prompt. An image will be generated. Download it. Next, open Canva. Go to Videos, select Landscape Video. Now upload your picture from your gallery. Go to Image Tools, select the image to video. Click on Generate 5-second video. It will generate a 5-second video like this. If you like it, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.